In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Google Drive. Whether you're managing your storage space or just want to keep your files organized, knowing how to properly delete files can be very helpful. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, we start with deleting files from Google Drive on your desktop. Open your Google Drive in a web browser and locate the file or files you wish to remove. Once you've found what you're looking to discard, you have a couple of options. The most straightforward method is to simply right-click on the file. Doing this will bring up a menu of actions you can take. From here, select the option that says Move to Trash. Alternatively, you can also move files to the trash by selecting them and then clicking on the trash can icon, usually found at the top of your screen. It's as simple as that. Now, let's switch gears to the Google Drive mobile app. Start by opening the app on your phone or tablet and navigating to the files you want to delete. Just like on the desktop, you'll need to select the file. Instead of right-clicking, though, tap the three dots located next to the file. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Remove. Tap it, and your file will be moved to the trash. But what happens next? When you delete a file, it's not immediately gone forever. Instead, Google Drive transfers it to the trash. Files or folders you move to the trash remain there for 30 days. This feature is like a safety net, providing you an opportunity to restore anything you might have deleted by accident. However, during these 30 days, the files are still consuming your storage space. If you're certain you no longer need a file and want to clear up space right away, you can permanently delete it from the trash. To do this, head over to your trash folder by clicking on Trash on the left-hand side of the Google Drive web interface. Once inside the trash folder, you can choose the file again. Right-click and then select Delete Forever from the options that appear. If you're using the mobile app, tap the three dots next to the specific file and confirm deletion by tapping Delete Forever. Be cautious, though. Once you delete a file permanently, you won't be able to get it back. And there you have it. Deleting files from Google Drive is as simple as a few clicks or taps. Remember, managing your files regularly not only helps in reclaiming precious storage space, but also keeps your online workspace neat and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and easy for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.